Majority in the Senate and a White House. That might be fun. And by the way, that's not anything they could undo for the rest of the Trump presidency. And those of you who keep thinking that Trump is either going to kill him or dead or be run out of office or what have you, let me tell you, as unreasonable as you think Donald Trump may be, information on the radio.
Check the roadways at this time. Traffic moving up speed limit I-20 eastbound and westbound and on the busy Bobby Jones Expressway up on the west side. Lucas Roadway, Parkway, Road 10, Columbia Road, Jimmy Dias Parkway, Washington Road, as well as Bel Air Road and Evans and Martinez. Traffic moving without delay. No delays right in Washington Road or Riverwatch Parkway this afternoon. South side, East Orchard Road, Winter Spring Road, Tobacco Road, and Lily Creek. You've been hands-free in the WGAC 24-hour news traffic and weather center. I'm Zach Taylor.
Moisture levels will be on the rise as we head through the weekend and give us a better chance for some showers tonight. Partly.
No question about this news that suggested that he was off the property. This torture, having all this back.
He's been blackballed because if you have the talent, he did. How many teams gave Michael Vick a chance when he came back out of prison? Do you think that he was any more?
Take care of you in a totally comfortable, pain-free manner. To learn more about what the modern dental office can do for you, call our office. It's Dr. Andy Oldfield, 491 Furious Ferry Road, 706-863-3290, or visit our website, AugustaSmiles.com. That's 706-863-3290, AugustaSmiles.com. We look forward to hearing
Who watched the surveillance video? The incident was classified as trouble with the subject.
Business is proving easier said than done. A memo from the procurement department says none of the bids for the ambulance firms looking to work with the city could be recommended. The plan is to go out again for a new round of proposals. Some commissioners have been critical of the fire department's lawyer being in contact with one of the companies bidding before it entered.
That's why you shouldn't stop letting people out to turn like that, because people are in this lane can't see.
To the station, you hear old music. I took out Tennessee, she's more.
continue to see our total number of jobs hit an all-time high again this last month. Also, the total number of individuals employed, again, also hit another all-time high. And that's what we're really looking at, is continuing this streak of...
eggs and breed.
We're not taking calls this hour, but if you have any questions, we have a couple of microphones in the house.
Wow.
Feel free to come and ask.
Really?
George! Oh my gosh, what the frick, you idiot!
Irish Catholic family. And you know, as you're growing up, I went to Catholic school for a little while, and a number of years.
Like buyers expires 9/30/18. WGAC News Time is 4:34. Tuesday afternoon traffic and weather together starting now.
This update being brought to you by Goodwill. Still seeing slow moving
Well, if you're not going to move over,
Bobby Jones eastbound due to
you're not going to move over.
Before the right four road exit. Left lane is still blocked. Also, we do have
you know, a blinker would have been real useful.
Traffic time right now.
From the Carolinas all the way up through the I-95 corridor and even all the way up into coastal portions of New England. In the western half of the country, the weather is going to be primarily dry, although a system moving through western Canada may bring a few isolated showers to northern portions of Washington. And that's the weather across America. In Houston, Texas today, partly...
I can do. But you know, I got to thinking, I thought this before, and I didn't, well, our forefathers sure didn't have a chance in hell, because they didn't know if there was even a storm coming.
That's why they didn't limit the beach.
That's right. I would live down here for that.
Florence threatened to swamp communities near the ready to evacuate at a moment's notice. The hour's top national story: subscription radio company SiriusXM is buying music streaming service Pandora. The stock deal valued at about $3.5 billion. That will allow Sirius to expand its service beyond cars and into homes and other mobile areas. SiriusXM Holdings has more than If you're a military veteran and would like a free copy of my new book, which has helped my clients bank an extra profit of up to $30,000, go to my website at www.freebook4.
Have you made a difference lately? SRP is committed to community, and we believe in making a difference. Join SRP in our efforts to improve our local schools. Every time you use your high school affinity debit card, SRP gives money to our local school systems. SRP makes it easy for you to make a difference. Please.
Migration, trade, or terrorism. He started off with a big laugh. I'm Steve Kastenbaum in New York.
Thursday's Kavanaugh hearing is shaping up despite continued pushback from Democrats. I'm Lindsay Kenya.
How are Americans saving more money now for college? I'm Tom Busby.
Confidence among consumers at its highest level in nearly 2 decades.
It'd be a sad thing if he's not nominated. I mean, that's just, like Rush said the other day, you know, even butterflies think that they're that weak that they would fall for this. I mean, there's just this long history from pork to, you just go up the list. I mean, if you went through from its list of 25, it would all be, everybody would have something.
Slick.
Because they're going to be some.
In fact, my first hire in 1995 was a 17-year-old named Bobby Cohn. I remember him graduating from high school, buying his first truck, getting married, having this little girl, and then his little boy. I've seen a lot of changes over 23 years. But what hasn't changed is our philosophy of offering good products, good service, and a fair price from a company that's
It's embarrassing, but I leak, and I can't get rid of this. There was no walking hazard. I'm not that old. But they told me.
This motorcycle's going to turn from the left lane to the right. Yep. He moved to the right lane with his left turn blinker still going.
As a young girl, she used to watch and rewatch the 1996 Women's American Olympic Gymnastic team win the gold. So she said to herself, that's going to be me one day. Well, she was wrong. That was her. Dr. Ford is willing to testify if certain conditions are met. Kavanaugh's supporters suspect a very different agenda and are standing firm. How does this end?
Seriously?
What might this mean for Me Too? Next time on One Edge.
I looked up a picture of what you look like, Peter, and I was very shocked to find out what you look like.
A little bit of time. And that's the neighborhood of Blue Ridge in Columbia County. What does this have to do with working? I was there the morning after ice.
Area, a dedicated team area to be able to use our resources more effectively.
Ribbon cutting is set for 5 o'clock.
SRP Park, Augusta averaged over 4,000
National Association says Georgia and Georgia Tech thanks.
Or do you know a child that struggles with math? How about one that's advanced and should be getting ahead? Well, there's a place.
October 17th, 2018 is produced by Tom DeLac. Associate producer Bill Michaels. I'm John Trout, Westwood One News.
PDL1 Pool and Spa.
Here this afternoon, a chance at some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Gonna be hot and muggy, high in the mid to upper 90s. Tonight, mostly cloudy, a chance at some scattered showers, 73. And tomorrow,
Minutes was fired for violating company policy. He's facing his own
GAC.
Newstalk WGAC and WJBF News Channel 6 have joined forces to bring you the 6 o'clock news tonight at 6 following the Austin Road Show.
Clayton Neville.
Your cell phone rings. You don't recognize the number. Do you really want to answer it?
No.
I'm Tom Busby.
The financing and no payments for 90 days. The time is running out. These prices are only good while they last. These prices are only good while they last.
Every candy can say every single night.